So good evening. Welcome to SAKALAVIDYA YouTube channel. Welcome to all. Okay, Swati Singh, Yadav, Balu, Rakshita, Rakhi, Pranav, Prudvi, Balu, Swati, Nageshwar Reddy, Avinash, Sravanti, Venkatragaram, Ajimuddin, Sham. Okay, Srija, live teaching. Okay, Nageshwar Reddy, Sayyid Abbas, Dasari Chaitanya. Okay, right. So now Narendra. Okay, Vaishnavi, Parabola, part 6. Right. 55 problem. 56th question. The locus of the midpoints, the locus of the midpoints of focal chords of focal chords of the parabola y square equals to 4ax is. This is the question. Right. The locus of the midpoints of focal chords of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is. First option, y square equals to 4a times x minus a. Second option, y square equals to 4a times x plus a. Third option, y square equals to 2a times x minus a. Fourth option, y square equals to 2a times x plus a. This is the question. Okay. Right. Locus of the midpoints of the focal chords of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. First, let us say x1 comma y1 be the midpoint of the chord. If x1 comma y1 is the midpoint of the chord, then equation of the chord is given by s1 is equal to s11. But it is a focal chord. It is a focal chord means it passes through the focus. What is the focus of y square is equal to 4ax? Yes, a comma 0. It passes through the a comma 0. By substituting a comma 0, then after that you need to find out locus of x1 comma y1. That will be the answer. Okay, don't worry, you will get it. The voice will be increased. Okay, right. So now let us do it now. 56th solution. 56th solution. See, draw the figure. This is the parabola. This is the axis. Say A. This is x dash. This is the, say P, yes, A comma 0, Q, focal chord. This is the focal chord, passes through the focus. So equation of this one is y square is equal to 4ax. Let us say this r x1 comma y1 is the midpoint right down here. Let r of x1 comma y1 be the midpoint of focal chord PQ, focal chord of PQ, focal chord of PQ. Therefore, equation of PQ having middle point r x1 comma y1 is S1 is equal to S11. That implies S1 means y1 y1 minus 2a times x plus x1 equals to S11 means notation we know y1 square minus 4ax1. Say equation 1. According to the problem, equation 1 passes through focus being a focal chord, S A comma 0. That means in equation 1 put x for A, y for 0. Therefore we get like this now, 0 minus 2a times a plus x1 equals to y1 square minus 4ax1. Right? So that implies we get like this, y1 square minus 4ax1 equals to minus 2a square minus 2ax1. That implies y1 square equals to, you get like this. If you take minus 4ax1 that side, you get like this, 2ax1 minus 2a square. Let us take 2a common. So we get x1 minus a. X1 minus a. So therefore locus of, we need to write locus of R is, instead of y1 y, instead of x1 x, we get y square equals to 2a times x minus a. This is the answer. Now you can check it. Yes, Kalyani, actually you are new to my class. Watch all my videos, then you decide. You ask the question. Am I audible to you, all of you? Right. Next, 57th question. 57th question. Okay. 57th question. If a if a circle cuts the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, okay, y square is equal to 4ax in 4 points, in 4 points, in 4 points, then the sum of the ordinates, sum of the ordinates of the 4 points, 4 points is, this is the question. So if a circle cuts the parabola y square is equal to 4ax in 4 points, then the sum of the ordinates, sum of the ordinate means sum of the y coordinates of the 4 points we need to find out. So that means first option is 2a, second option is a, third option 0, fourth option is 1. Right. So after this class I will start. Right. If a circle cuts the parabola y square is equal to 4ax in 4 points, then sum of the ordinates of the 4 points is, sum of the y coordinates of the 4 points we need to find out. Okay. So that means 57 solution. This is a circle, this is a parabola. It cuts at 4 points P, Q, R, S. Okay. So now, for example, P coordinates is x1 comma y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 we need to find out. Okay, let us do it now. Let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. This is the standard equation of the circle. Am I correct now? Let us say equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Let us say let at square comma 2at be any point on y square is equal to 4ax. Since one cuts this parabola equation is y square is equal to 4ax. This point should lie on this circle. So that means we have, in the place of x, at square substitute. You get like this, a square t power 4 y square. Y square means 4a square t square 2gx 2ag t square plus 2fy. 2fy means 2af t plus c is equal to 0. So this can be rewritten as a square t power 4 plus here a square 2a square 2 times 2 common plus AG plus AF, sorry, AG itself only, AG, okay, of T squared plus 2AFT plus C equals to 0. So now let us say, since it is a biquadratic equation, say roots be T1, T2, T3, T4. So now here we can find out sum of the roots T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. Sum of the roots of this biquadratic equation is equal to minus coefficient of T cube upon coefficient of T power 4. Coefficient of Tq is absent here, so 0. 0 by a square, you get 0. But what we are asked actually here, we need to find out sum of the ordinates. So sum of the ordinates means sum of the ordinates of 4 points. Sum of the ordinates of 4 points equals to, you can write like this, 2AT1 plus 2AT2 plus 2AT3 plus 2AT4. 2A common. If you take 2A common, you get T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4. But here observe, T1 plus T2 plus T3 plus T4 is nothing but sum of the roots of this equation, that is 0. So we get 2A times 0. So answer is equal to 0, obviously. This is the answer. Now you can check it. 57 answer. Third option. Okay, I will hold for a while. You may note down. "58". Question number is 58. Question number is 58. Okay. Okay. Question number is 58. Two tangents to the parabola y square equals to 8x, y square is equal to 8x, meet the tangent at the vertex vertex in the points P and Q, in the points P and Q. If PQ is equal to 4, then the locus of point of intersection of the tangents is first option y square equals to 4 times x plus 2. Second option y square equals to 8 times x plus 2. Third option y square equals to minus 4 times x plus 2. Fourth option y square equals to minus 8 times x plus 2. This is the question. Right. This is actually concept based question. It's a very lengthy method, but I will give the shortcut for this one problem. Don't worry. But you need to remember, two tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 8x meet the other tangent which is drawn at the vertex in the points in P and Q. That means actually the two tangents drawn to the y square is equal to 8x meet the other tangent at the vertex in the 2 points P and Q. The distance between PQ is given, that is 4. Then the locus of the point of intersection of the tangents we need to find out. Okay, now I will give the shortcut for this one. Don't worry. 58 shortcut. So you can remember this formula, shortcut formula. First let me draw the figure, then I will explain the shortcut. The two tangents are drawn like this. Okay. This is the tangent at the vertex. It's a tangent at the vertex. Okay. These two tangents actually meet at this is a vertex, this is a parabola. Right, this is a parabola. Suppose drawn, say this is rx1 comma y1 meets at P point and Q point, this tangent. Next, this length is d. This length is d. Now write down the shortcut. What is the shortcut means? If PQ is equal to d, suppose if you say PQ is equal to d, then the point of intersection of the tangents is y square minus 4ax is equal to d square. You remember this shortcut. Now let us come to the problem. So as far as problem is concerned, what is the d value here? D value is equal to 4 given. This is y square is equal to 8x. That means here d value is equal to how much? 4. That is length of PQ, and y square is equal to 8x. So this is the equation of the parabola. Therefore required locus of x1 comma y1 is y square minus 8x equal to d square. You need to write it. D square means 16. So y square equals to 8x plus 16. 8 common, 8 times x plus 2. Which is the correct option now? Second option is the right option. Second option is the right option. Vamshi, check your option. Okay, have you checked all of you? Fifty-nine. One more question. This will be different model. This also we have the shortcut. Don't worry. Two tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 4x. Y square is equal to 4x meets the directrix this time. Previous case, the tangent at the vertex. Directrix in P and Q. In P and Q. If PQ equals to 2, then the locus of point of intersection of tangents is first option x plus 1 whole square times y square minus 4x equal to 4x square. Second one, x minus 1 whole square y square minus 4x equal to 4x square. Third option, x plus 1 whole square y square minus 4x equal to x square. Fourth option, x minus 1 whole square of times y square minus 4x equals to x square. Yes. So now two tangents to the parabola y square is equal to 4x meets this time directrix in P and Q. If PQ is equal to 2, then the locus of the point of intersection of the tangents we need to find out. So let me give the shortcut formula for this one. 59 also. See, this is a directrix to this parabola. This parabola equation is y square is equal to 4x. Here a equals to 1. Everybody knows. Two tangents are drawn like this. So say rx1 comma y1 meet at PQ. Now say this PQ is equal to is D. For example, say this is y square is equal to 4ax. You leave with this one now. Later we shall discuss. Let us consider general equation y square is equal to 4ax. Okay. Now shortcut write down. If shortcut if PQ is equal to D, PQ is equal to D, then the locus of point of intersection of tangents to y square is equal to 4ax is x plus a whole square times y square minus 4ax equal to 4x square. In the previous case, very simple. Y square minus 4ax is equal to d square. But whenever it cuts directrix, then we need to use this formula. So now what is the curve given actually here? Y square is equal to 4x, PQ is equal to 2. So that means actually here y square equals to 4x and d equals to PQ is equal to how much given? You check it now in the problem. 2. This will be 2. Substituting these values in this equation, required locus, you will get it. So required locus, equation of required locus is x plus a. A means actually here see 1 you will be getting. X plus 1 whole square y square minus 4x equal to 4x square. So this is the answer. So let us check now. See x plus 1 whole square y square minus x is equal to here sorry d square x square you need to write. So I need to change this formula. D square x square absolutely sorry. I changed the color though. This equals to d square x square. You remember. Depending upon the d value, here we get the value. Here d is equal to 2, so we get 4. Okay, now let us move to the 60. Problem number 60. 60th problem. Fine. If a tangent to the parabola y square equals to 4ax meets the x-axis in T, in capital T, and the tangent tangent at the vertex in P, and the rectangle TAPQ is completed, then the locus of Q, then the locus of Q is first option, y square equal to ax, second, y square equals to 2ax, third, y square plus ax equals to 0, fourth, y square plus 2ax equals to 0. This is the question. First, you need to understand the problem, because the problem is very lengthy. If you understand the problem, easily we can crack the problem. So let me read the question here. If a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax meets the x-axis in T, and same tangent meets the tangent which is drawn at the vertex in P, and rectangle TAPQ is completed, then locus of the vertex Q you need to find out. Vertex of that rectangle we need to find out. 60 solution. See, first let me complete the parabola. This axis you take it now. This is x-axis, because axis of the parabola is x-axis. So a tangent is drawn like this. Okay. So now one more tangent is drawn at vertex. This is the vertex. Okay. Okay. So now this tangent meets x-axis at T coordinates. Tangent at the vertex is say A at P. This point is P. Then what is completed? T TAPQ, rectangle completed. This is a rectangle. TAPQ. Locus of Q we need to find out. The equation of this one is y square is equal to 4ax. Say this point is R of T. This is the question. So now let us find out. Equation of tangent at R of T to y square is equal to 4ax is parametric form. What is the equation of the tangent? We know yt minus x minus at square is equal to 0. Say equation 1. Now simply the t coordinates and p coordinates we can find out because this tangent meets x-axis at t, y-axis at p. A coordinates are known. This is 0, comma 0. Don't worry. Now the t coordinates and p coordinates we need to find out. To find out t coordinates, put x is equal to 0 because y is equal to 0. On x-axis y is equal to 0. If you put x is equal to 0, you get minus x is equal to at square. So next x is equal to at square. Now the t coordinates becomes t equals to at square comma 0. Now similarly put x is equal to 0 on y-axis. If you put y is equal to 0, you get p coordinates now. X is equal to 0 means you get like this. Yt equals to at square. Yt equals to at square. Okay. This will be minus at square. Sorry. This will be minus at square. So t gets cancelled. We have y equals to at. Now the p coordinates are, we can write 0 comma 0 comma at. Now we know the t coordinates, p coordinates. Now the locus of q. Say the locus of q means this point is x1 comma y1. It's very clear. X1 comma y1 means this distance is y1. So this distance is x1. At. At means actually you can write like this. X1 is equal to this x coordinate of t. X coordinate of t means minus at square we get. This y1 means y coordinate of p. Y coordinate of p means at. So y1 equals to at. That implies t equals to y1 upon a. Now put t is equal to y1 upon a in x1. See, now we get like this. See, x1 equals to minus a times t square. T square means y1 square upon a square. So a gets cancelled. By cross multiplication we get minus y1 square equals to ax1. Transfer minus that side. Y1 square equals to minus ax1. So bring minus ax1 this side. Y1 square plus ax1 equals to 0. Therefore, locus of x1 comma y1 is y square plus ax equal to 0. This is the desired answer. So I will hold. You check it now. Third option is the right option. 61. 61. Problem number 61. Right. The locus of poles of tangents of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax with respect to x square equals to 4by is first option xy plus 2ab equals to 0, second option xy plus ab equals to 0, third option xy minus 2ab equals to 0, fourth option xy minus ab equals to 0. This is the question. The locus of the poles of tangents of the parabola y square is equal to 4ax with respect to x square equal to 4by is. So I will actually divide this problem into the two parts. So that means actually here see uh, polar with respect to x square is equal to 4by becomes tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax. So that means first we need to find out, let p x1 comma y1 be the pole with respect to x square is equal to 4by. Then polar of p with respect to x square is equal to 4by we need to find out, that becomes tangent to y square is equal to 4ax. Apply the condition. What is the condition? Am square is equal to ln condition. Then the locus of x1 comma y1 we need to find out. So very simple problem. That means here see, polar of x square is equal to 4by becomes tangent to y square is equal to 4ax. So that we need to do it. Right. 61. Solution. Let px1 comma y1 be the pole with respect to x square equals to 4by. Okay. Next, the polar of p with respect to x square equals to 4by is s1 is equal to 0. That implies xx1 minus 2b times y plus y1 equals to 0. xx1 minus 2by minus 2by1 equals to 0. Say equation 1. Let us compare this equation to Lx plus my plus n equals to 0. Here L equals to x1 because x coefficient, m equals to minus 2b, n equals to minus 2b y1. You keep somewhere. Now, according to the problem, equation 1 is a tangent to the parabola y square equals to 4ax. That implies condition for tangency is am square equals to ln. Substitute the respective values. A means A only, m square minus 2b square, ln x1 times minus 2by, y1, sorry. Here this we can write A times minus 2b into minus 2b equal to x1 y1 times minus 2b. Now this minus 2b gets cancelled. We have here x1 y1 equals to minus 2ab. That implies x1 y1 plus 2ab equals to 0. Then therefore locus of x1 comma y1 is xy plus 2ab equals to 0. This is the answer. Got it now, all of you? Understood? Right. So first option is the right option. Once again you check it answer. That means polar of x square is equal to 4by is the tangent to the y square is equal to 4x. That's only I applied. Second question. 62nd question. Right. If the line 2x minus y plus 4 equals to 0 cuts the parabola y square is equal to 8x in A and B. Then the midpoint of AB is the midpoint of AB we need to find out. Mudavat Balaji Chauhan, after unless and I complete, how can I go for other chapter? I cannot go. So that is not I may not justify you. Understood no? So at least I need to complete all the concepts. Then I go for the other chapter. So otherwise not necessary. My channel is different. That's all. Not my channel. Our channel. Our channel is different. We will discuss most of the problems. Okay. So next, first option is 1 comma 2. Second option is minus 1 comma minus 2. Third option is 1 comma 2, 1 comma minus 2. Fourth option is minus 1 comma 2. Option verification also we can do it. Don't worry. So the point which satisfies this line equation, that will be the answer. But sometimes 2 or more options also may satisfy. But here in this case actually fourth option will satisfy. You see, you check. Here see. 2 into minus 1 minus 2 plus 4. Minus 2 plus 4 equal to 0. That means fourth option is the right option. But this is the direct method. But I will explain the method also, don't worry now. The line 2x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0 cuts this parabola 2 points A, B. Then midpoint of AB we need to find out. Right. 62 solution. So that means actually see this is the parabola. The line cuts 2 points A, B. Say midpoint is Px1 comma y1. This midpoint we need to find out. This we need to find out. Right. Let Px1 comma y1 be the midpoint of AB. Now equation of the chord whose middle point is x1 comma y1 with respect to the parabola we can find out having middle point. Equation of AB whose middle point is x1 comma y1 is given by S1 is equal to S11. What is the equation of this one? This is y square equals to 8x.